There's something about Shell Key that just feels like home. Coming back today, we are greeted by the most incredible views. We actually found a new hidden gem on the island to claim as our own for the day. But the journey there is half the fun. Sit back and enjoy the ride on our favorite spot. What's up, guys? We've been scrambling all morning, and this is the boat that we bought Tally. Yeah, but I forgot tags for it, so Amanda went back home to go get the tags. So it's gonna take about an hour for her to get here. So yeah. Amanda's back. The crew is ready. You guys ready? Yeah. Let's go. After 10 minutes of salt spray, we're here. We aren't the only ones taking advantage of this gorgeous day. The island is buzzing with everyone from solo jet skiers to massive yachts. Shell Key is a barrier island, which means snorkeling is going to be incredible later. But for now, it's all about the hustle, getting the cabins established so we can finally relax. All right, we got here set up. Swan is about to go snorkeling because he was talking about the last time we were here. Look at that, look at that. I got a GoPro, bro. You do? Yeah, get us some good stuff. You want to turn it on? Go ahead.
See what we can get into.
Recording. Countdown officially begun. Check out what Swan found almost immediately. A Florida banded snake. Don't worry, we did our homework. They're totally non-venomous. It was perfectly still, looking almost like a statue under the water. It's amazing how much wildlife you can find just a few feet from where we are hanging out. So I'm gonna take you through the tour of our boat here. This is the FastCat 14. It's an inflatable catamaran. It is 14 foot long. It sits 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's how it is. It comes with two cooler stations in the back over here. And what's powering this is a 20 HP motor. And yeah, we set up our stations over with our friends. Other than that, we're just out here hanging out. And everybody with money. Hang out over there. Yeah. And over here, the broke people are over here. Except this guy. But yeah, we're just chilling. Hanging out. You gonna get more water, baby? Yay!
Yeah, because she has a white foot
Uh-oh. All gone. More? Okay. And Miss Sally was busy building sand castles. And she's the boss of the beach today. She's already putting me to work. I'm on water duty to make sure her castles stay standing. It's all about teamwork when you're living in that island life. Yay! No, the other way, yeah.
You want me to go take a picture with Daddy? With my hat? You want to Remember the like Italian style apartment type thing?
The rest of the afternoon was pure island time. Between the sun and the soaked, Miss Sally kept me moving, mostly on water, hauling duty for her growing sandcastle kingdom. She's still not quite a fan of waves, so every trip to the shoreline was a team effort for moral support. It's those little moments that make these days the best.
Oh! Ready?
It's funny how time works out here. It feels like we just arrived, but suddenly the sun is getting low. We spent the last few hours just watching this world go by, admiring the massive yachts and wondering exactly how much horsepower those jet skis are packing. But all good things come to an end. Time to pack up and head back to reality.
Alright, so you just seen it?
Yeah.
We're fixing to go back. Well packed up, I think.